YouTube, it's Zahara MT coming at you to say, oh my god, look at my hair. Hope you can see the definition. It is shiny, and I love my little afro. Can you see that? Also, today I tried a new product. I'm becoming a bit of a product junkie because my most favorite shampoo has been discontinued. Here we have a moment of silence for the discontinued original Cream of Nature. They replaced it with this whack. I don't know what this is. The old Cream of Nature would instantly moisturize and detangle your hair. I wouldn't even use conditioner. I would just wash, get out, and style. But this is... Okay, so I have been looking for a new shampoo. I've been going back and forth between the Proclaim olive oil and the Nourishing Coconut Milk shampoo line. I think that I prefer this one, but we'll see. I've been trying to do more co-washes. Now everyone knows that I love Organic Root Stimulator Deep Penetrating Conditioner. However, I'm allergic to soy, and there's soybean oil in here, and so I've been having a lot of trouble with itchy scalp, and I think that maybe that's why. So I'm trying to find a conditioner. So I've been thinking about going cone-free and sulfate-free, thinking about it, but I haven't committed yet. So I tried this. It's been absolutely, this is a failure. Fail. No. Just no. This one is a little thicker. I have company. This one is a little thicker, but it's still a no, because it doesn't have enough moisture or oil to lay my hair. My hair is extremely thick, and I need something that's going to really penetrate and get down deep by my roots, and this will just lay on top. So what I ended up loving is this high price Moisture Maniac. Now this cost me $13, 250 milliliters. I mean, this is 8 ounces. But it moisturized, it detangles. I went through 2 combs. I go through with a wide tooth comb, and I always follow with a detangler. It did it all. The problem is, I use about 1/3 of the bottle. That's for one co-wash. So that's going to be an issue if this becomes my conditioner of choice because it's expensive, and I heard from someone that the larger bottle is about $25. So we'll see. If you live in California, you know there's a sale, let me know, because I'll be dead on it. Anyway, I followed the Moisture Maniac co-wash with the conditioner. I saw a lot of ladies using this on YouTube. Put a little in your hair and you make kind of a lather. And then, using no method, I just kind of parted off my hair and globbed some Eco Styler gel in it. This is olive oil. This is only my second time using it. I used it the first time for a twist out, and it was great for that. So I just laid it on pretty much and went through my hair doing that with my fingers. And I took my Denman brush, and I did not go through my hair. I just went over the top to try to give it some shape and brush up the front. And this is how it dried, and I am loving it. You know, I feel like one of those 70s women. And remember I'm a nurse. I don't promote smoking. But I'm just talking about an ad. Remember those billboards in the 70s? We had the lady with the big afro and the halter top, and she was so... I am so feeling myself. In fact, I've been feeling myself every day lately. I don't know what's going on with me. Is it there? I don't know. Anyway, that's all. I just wanted to say I'm trying to do the sulfate-free thing. No. I don't know if this will be my last bottle of if I can't find anything else then I'll be spending some money on myself, because I know a lot of people make their own. But honey, I have 3 kids, a husband, 2 jobs. I do not have time to be sitting around in the kitchen mixing stuff up. I just don't have time. I need to buy it ready-made. And so, well, if I have to spend the money, I have to spend the money, because I'm worth it. Anyway, as always, rate, subscribe, and comment. I would love to know what you think. Have a great day.